Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Spirit E-310 and the Go Anywhere. Big difference in price, huh?
Yeah, massive. The Spirit E-310 is around $450, while the Go Anywhere is only about $95. That's a serious jump.
But what am I actually getting for the extra money? I mean, the Go Anywhere is Amazon's choice and has way more reviews.
Well, think about size and features. The Spirit is a full-sized 3-burner grill. It's got a 360 square inch cooking area and 19,000 BTUs of heating power. The Go Anywhere? It's portable, small, only 160 square inches of cooking space.
Okay, so the Spirit is for serious grilling. More space, more burners. Makes sense. What about materials? Are they both built to last?
Both are Webers, so quality is generally good. The Spirit has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and easy cleaning. The Go Anywhere has porcelain-enameled steel grates, which should also be durable.
And what about the extras? Like, does the Spirit have any fancy features?
It does. The Spirit has Weber Works side rails for snap-on accessories, snap jet ignition, and flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor. It also has a cabinet to hide the propane tank. The Go Anywhere is pretty basic, just a simple portable grill.
Okay, so it sounds like the Spirit is for someone who wants a full-featured grill for home use, and the Go Anywhere is for camping, tailgating, that kind of thing?
Exactly. If you're grilling for a crowd regularly, the Spirit is the way to go. If you want something you can throw in the car and take anywhere, the Go Anywhere is perfect.
What about dimensions?
The Spirit is 26.6 dx 48.3 inches wx 46.2 inches h and weighs 98.1 pounds. The Go Anywhere is 12.2 dx 21 inches wx 14.5 h and weighs 13.5 pounds.
Got it. Thanks for the breakdown.
No problem. Happy grilling!
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.